Hi guys, so I have another Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal, and this is Alyssa's journal, and this I am doing a Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal swap, and it is with 7 ladies. I think it's 6 other ladies or 7, but I'll have everybody linked in the description bar. And I'll also have my other 2 videos linked, the one of my journal and the one of the last journal that I did, which was Lacy's. This is Alissa, and Alissa is Crafting to Cope. And she will be linked in the description bar along with the other ladies. And on the front of her journal, we had to put a sticker of where we're from. So I put my little Virginia sticker. Isn't it so cute? I printed it on my Lean sticker printer maker thingy that I have, and let me just show you the parts that I contributed to her journal. If you want to see a full flip through of this, you can head over to her channel, which is Crafting to Cope, and you can see that. So she did her check-in. She had instructions in here, and then we all put our picture underneath here. So she had a flap. I'm going to open this one just because there's nobody there, but we're leaving them closed. So that, you know, people don't want their pictures on the internet. And then this was my coffee order. So I added my coffee order. So I am not a coffee drinker anymore. But when I was a coffee drinker, which was only for 1 year of my entire life, I used to buy the iced, like the refrigerated Starbucks blonde roast that was like at Target or Walmart or wherever. And I used to add oat milk and Torani caramel syrup to it. So that is how I liked it, iced and at home. That was my favorite. I don't actually really like coffee. So when I used to make it for myself at home, it actually tasted good because I feel like coffee is gross. Anyway, all right. Then there was a sticker dump. And on the sticker dump, I added all of these girls stickers. So I added the little girly down here. I added this girl here and this one. I also added this stack of books because I love books, and I added this little ice cream right here next to the cutest bear ever. And then another thing she had us do was a washi dump. And you guys, I put some of my favorite washi. Some of this washi is new that I got when I went to Little Craft Fest this past weekend. This is from Once More with Love, and so is this one. And look how it says, this is fine, this is fine. Well, it's on fire because I'm always like, everything's fine. And then my little bear that I got from Bloom Paper Studio. This one is from Lauren Phelps Design, and then this is from JoJo's Pretty, I think it's Pretty Planner Shop or Pretty Sticker Shop or Pretty Shop. And then this is Hubman and Chub Girl, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, look at Eeyore. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute he is. He's so cute. Okay. So that was this. I could not decide, so I did 6 different washi tapes. And then she had, It's Not Easy Being Green, where green is her favorite color, and so she wanted us to add green stickers. So I added this one, which says, "You deserve more books," because that is the truth. I added this little magic sticker, this little wonder sticker, this one here, this little leaf right here, this big leaf at the bottom here, and then this little love up here. So I just added some green stickers. And then after that, she wanted us to do our own page of an About Me. So I made this page, and I used all of my planner stickers for this. I used a sticker book from Live Love Posh, which is a sticker company that I love. And I did an About Me. So I put that I've been married to my college sweetheart forever. I'm a mom to boys. I'm the middle child. My crafting loves are paper crafting, planning, and sewing. I read 140 books last year, which is why I did like a book theme for this. And also in all of my journals, all the traveling journals that are coming, I'm trying to make it where it's my style, but also a little bit of like their style. And I felt like this would be something that Alissa would like. So that's why I use these kind of flowers. I also put that I was born in New York, but from middle school to college, I lived in Florida, and my last 17 years I've been in Virginia. So I feel like I spent like, for a while it was like half of my life here, half of my life here, and then it was like a third. So yeah, that's kind of my life. So I'll say, sometimes you'll hear me say that I'm from Florida, but really I'm not really from Florida. I was actually born in New York, and I didn't move to Florida until middle school. Okay, and then I put that I am Lisa. I'm an engineer turned stay-at-home homeschooling mom turned YouTuber. And when I'm not crafting and listening to an audiobook, I can be found playing in my planner, which is very true. I love the color pink, and I love long naps. Love long naps. And then Lacy had added this in here, which was like a little mix and happiness, because she was the first one. So she added this, and she basically, it was like you put like some words that create like happiness, I think, and you're supposed to add to the mix. So I added gratitude and contentment. And then this was a recipe swap. So I added my recipe back here, and I did a recipe for the Neiman Marcus chocolate chip cookies, which are delicious. Let's see if you can see this. I'll let you guys, if you want to take a screenshot, you can. So I'll pause it right there, and then here's the back, the directions on the back. So I just wrote this and put that in there behind Lacy's, and then she has like little tabs for all of us. And then this is the birthday celebrations that Lacy added, and I put that my birthday is August 23rd down here. My favorite cake is strawberry, and I love Carvel ice cream cake. And I turned 40 last year and had a big old weekend-long celebration with a party, my best friends, my family. It was really fun. And then she had take some, leave some, and I just stuck a bunch of stickers in here and took out some stuff. So that is Alyssa's journal. So this is my traveling journal video number 3. And I will be back again on May 1st, where I will have another journal. I don't know whose it's going to be yet. But it'll be someone's, and I'll show you guys then. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.